This is Powerizer Complete, a revolutionary all-in-one, all-natural cleaner that will replace every cleaning product in your closet. Why? Because it literally cleans everything. No, for real. It cleans toilets. Cleans clothes. Never gonna have to buy any more of this stuff. Cleans floors. Countertops. Tile scum. It even cleans your washing machine. It's crazy, right? If you get a stain on your shirt, it'll clean that too.
Does it clean this carpet? You're damn right it does.
There really isn't anything it doesn't clean. Like this, and this chair. In fact, grab a plate from this dishwasher. It'll be so clean you'll hear it It's even a color booster. I'm not with you. I'm dead serious. Because Powerizer Complete doesn't just clean some squeaking things. It cleans squeaking everything.